Hello and welcome back to PA Academy. So this is the part 2 of the video series on Ohm's Law. So if you missed the part 1, kindly check the description of this video. You'll find the link to the part 1 of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to subscribe to this channel. So now this is the example 2. It says how much resistance is needed. How much resistance is needed to draw a 4 amps of current from a 12 volt battery. So let's do this. So let's bring out some of the parameters. Says how much resistance is needed. So that means we are looking for resistance R to draw 4 amps of current. So we are giving our current, which is I, to be 4 amps from a battery of 12 volts. So we have our voltage given as 12 volts. So he said how much resistance is needed to draw a 4 amps of current from a 12 volt battery. So what it means is that if we have a battery, if you are given a battery with 12 volts, a battery with 12 volts, and we are looking forward to draw a current of 4 amps from a battery of 4 volts. So how much resistance do we need to make sure that the current that we are drawing from this 12 volt battery is 4 amps? Because from this 12 volt battery we can decide to draw a current of probably 6 amps, but now we are concerned about drawing just 4 amps current. So how much resistance do we need? So now let's bring in the formula. So from V is equals to IR. From V is equals to IR. So since we are looking for R, if you make R the subject of the formula, we are going to be having our R is equals to V over I. That is voltage over current. So now let's put in the our parameters. We've given our voltage to be 12, so we have 12 over, and our current is 4. So 12 divided by 4, that will give us 3 ohms. So that means the resistance. So the resistance needed, of the resistor will be what? Will be 3 ohms. So if you have a 3 ohm resistor connected across a circuit with a 12 volt battery, we'll be able to draw a current of 4 amperes. So that is it for example 2, and then in the next video we are going to be looking at another example, which is example 3.